you are there, only 9 are present. What about others? We completed last class. We completed Rengong ke naam. You have to write 2 more words, no? I think till where we completed?
You did not send the notebook work.
Notebook work you did. I did not send to you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Rengong ke naam I did not send. Alna.
Yes.
Which all words you completed in your notebook? Can you say? Read. Open your notebook, everyone. Okay. Pado. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Ma'am, we did not write in notebook. You did not also send.
Elroy, batao. Which all you completed in your notebook? Elroy. Job.
Ma'am, now completed. Peela, yellow.
Yeah.
Neela, blue. Kala, black. Hara, green. Lal, red. Safed, white.
Okay. Till Safed completed. Yes. That I send it in the group, no? Then why Prithvi told? Who told that I did not send that much notes? Prithvi did not see that notes? You have to check that. That day itself I sent the notes. Rengong ke naam.
Can you send it again, ma'am?
Yeah, after the class I will send. Okay. Colors name Rengong ke naam हमने पढ़ा. 6 words I sent it and I told you to write and study. Alna. बताओ क्या है?
नीला, blue. Kala, black. Hara, green. Lal, red. Safed, white.
Okay, very good. Johan, Johan, can you read? Good morning, everyone. Can you read that? Colors name. Rengong ke naam. क्या है रंग means? बच्चों, रंग means color.
Color.
पढ़ो.
Peela, yellow. Neela, blue. Kala, black. Hara, green. Lal, red. Safed, white.
Safed, white. Till Safed you completed, no? Very good. Sai Krishna, can you read? Sai Krishna. Copied in your notebook? This all 5 times. Unmute करके बताओ, please. Unmute करो, Sai Krishna.
Kala, black.
Kala, black. Sai have some network issue. Safed, white.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Namaste.
Kala, green. Kala, black. Which is Kala? Is it green?
Black.
Kala means black color.
Black. Ma'am, Rukma. Tell it.
Neela, blue, lal, red. Your audio has some problem. I can't hear.
Neela, blue.
Students, today we will complete 2 more colors. I did not give you that gulabi and one more orange color. क्या है? Orange color.
Narangi.
और गुलाबी कौन सा कलर है? गुलाबी
Pink.
Okay, so today we will complete that. After I send a message, did you see that message? We are going to start our revision. So today we will revise chapter which all Namaste. So Rakshar and Vyanjanakshar. Okay, and we will study Bhina Matra ke Shabd. Do you know which is Bhina Matra ke Shabd? What we learn Bhina Matra में? There we क्या है? बिना मात्रा means we did not use any matra. Without matra कुछ word हमने पढ़ा. फल, you know? फल, वन, जल, भवन, शहद, कमल. Do you know? This all words? Forget. भूल गई आप लोग? शहद means honey. भवन means क्या है भवन?
House.
और what is the word कमल? कमल क्या है? कमल means
Lotus.
जल means क्या है?
Water.
वन मीन्स क्या है? वन
इधर क्या? Forest.
फल मीन्स क्या है? फल फल फ्रूट या ओके। और आपको याद है आ की मात्रा से कौन कौन सा वर्ड हमने पढ़ा? आ, मात्रा आ, अब भूल गई? आ when we read
It's on Google Form.
no तारा, छाता, गमला, राजा, बादल, घास। Okay, that much we learned. Okay, so we will revise this all. Before that, you have to complete the two colors, gulabi or narangi. Till safed, everybody completed now.
Yes.
पहले words are very easy. पीला, नीला, काला, हरा, लाल. This all very easy. Kala and all. Because it is used only aki matra, iki matra and all. So today we are going to study that two more colors. After we will start the revision. Okay, children. After completing, I will take a small test. Now in the written test. Listen. No, not in the Google form. You can write in your rough book. Sometimes do. Okay. So all take your rough book, children. सब अपने rough book खोलो. रफ बुक सब खोलो, रफ बुक खोलो. क्या है पहला? Please mute and talk those who are talking. Please mute your audio. Okay, so now we are going to start the colors name, रंगों के नाम. Okay, तो कौन सा रंग हम लिखेंगे अब? गुलाबी. कौन सा कलर है गुलाबी?
Pink.
तो लिखो गुलाबी, पिंक.
Which book, right?
In your rough book, children. Rough book. Gulabi. पढ़ो गुलाबी. Read and write. Listen the spelling. गुलाबी. गुलाबी. Pink color. गुलाबी means कौन सा color है? Pink color. Read and write 5 times. गुलाबी. जल्दी लिखो. 5 times you have to write. गुलाबी. गुलाबी, पिंक. कौन सा कलर है गुलाबी? पिंक. गुलाबी. गा छोटे ऊ की मात्रा, ला आ की मात्रा, बा पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा. गुलाबी, पिंक. गुलाबी, पिंक.
How many times?
It is given on the board. Can you see the board?
Gulabi.
गुलाबी, पिंक. गुलाबी, पिंक. उसके बाद आफ्टर गुलाबी वी विल राइट नारंगी. क्या है नारंगी? रा के ऊपर अंक की मात्रा. नारंगी. ऑरेंज कलर. ऑरेंज कलर. ऑरेंज कलर. नारंगी. गुलाबी, पिंक, नारंगी, ऑरेंज कलर. नारंगी. नारंगी. रीड एंड राइट. गुलाबी, नारंगी.
Narangi.
नारंगी.
O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G. O-R-A-N. It's random fire time.
Read and write. Read and write. No need to count. You should read. Gulabi, gulabi, pink. Narangi, orange color. Narangi, orange color.
Gulabi. Pink.
Ah.
Gulabi, pink. Gulabi. Ka ऊ की मात्रा ला की मात्रा गुलाबी
Gulabi. Spelling very good. Those who are writing that way, they will never forget the spelling. Na, a की मात्रा, रा पे अंग की मात्रा, गा बड़ी की मात्रा. नारंगी. नारंगी.
की मात्रा ना गुलाबी
Hmm.
पिंक पिंक PINK गुलाबी गा उ की मात्रा ला आ की मात्रा बा बड़ी उ की मात्रा गुलाबी की मात्रा बा पी की मात्रा गुलाबी
Completed. Elvin?
No.
Gulabi, write and study 5 times. Who is asking? This is for writing. You should write. Now revision. After that, we will start the revision. I told we will write which one? We will start from Swarakshar or Vyanjanakshar. Do you know Swarakshar? Yeah, after completing, we can start that. Okay. Children, those who are joining from 3rd standard, please, your happy hour is going on in which board? It is board number 3. Okay. Board number 3. Please join on that board. गुलाबी पिंक लमेश पढ़ो ये क्या लिखा है इसमें पढ़ो
बोर्ड नंबर में
गुलाबी
गुलाबी
पिंक ओके क्या है ब्लैक का हिंदी वर्ड लमेश ब्लैक को हम क्या कहेंगे ब्लैक कलर का हिंदी वर्ड काला अनन्या बताओ
अनन्या से
रेड रेड हिंदी वर्ड क्या है रेड
अनन्या से
यस अनन्या टेल मी
लाल
लाल ग्रीन ग्रीन का हिंदी क्या है
हरा
हरा ब्लू
नीला नीला
anyone if I ask to Ananya Ananya can say other all can mute संकल्प बताओ what is the word for white white का हिंदी वर्ड क्या है सफेद और येलो संकल्प
पीला
पीला very good और what is the word for green संकल्प ग्रीन हिंदी क्या है
हरा
हरा ऑरेंज का हिंदी
नारंगी
narangi okay I will ask in English you have to write the spelling correct in Hindi okay so you have to study the spelling sometime fill in the blanks also I will give you how to find the correct answer correct letter okay ab Devarsh we are going to study
nice chatting
somebody started chatting okay 1 minute disable okay now देखो now we are going to write and study स्वराक्षर कौन बताएगा देवश बताओ स्वराक्षर means कौन कौन सा अक्षर है स्वराक्षर which all letter स्वराक्षर लिखो I will give a question here स्वराक्षर लिखो what you will write स्वराक्षर लिखो which letters you will write देवर्ष अक्षर लिखो no need to write this question वेरी गुड तो क्या लिखेंगे आ ए ई उ र की मात्रा तक हमने पढ़ा तो ये र लेक्चर कौन सा है रे और ए देवर्ष पढ़ो देवर्ष के साहिन ए आई देवर्ष और till where स्वराक्षर read no need to write this children this is the question swarakshar likho so how you will write swarakshar You can start from a, e, u, r, a, I, o, a. Write it 2 times. This revision. Okay, you have to write it 2 times. This swaraksha. Jaldi jaldi likho. A, 2 times. Write it in your book. Read and write without any mistake. क्या है?
Division spelling is REVISION.
Yeah, correct revision. You read in this another letter. R-E-V. Correct V. Okay.
Ma'am, revision right?
No need. You should start. So actually also no need to write. Okay. You should write E, U, R, A, I, O, A. Right.
Orange. Right.
After completing Narangi, orange, you start this Swarakshar Likho. Here any confusion you have, this some another letter.
Na Akimatara Ya Ga Bagi Kimatara Narangi Orange.
Completed. A, I, U, R, A, I, O, A. Write it that.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
After we will write Vyanjanakshar. Anybody know which is Vyanjanakshar? Lakshmika, bata, Lakshana batao. Vyanjanakshar means कौन सा है?
Gaka.
Not ga kha ka. Vyanjanakshar likho. The next question ये है Vyanjanakshar likho. Vyanjanakshar means कौन सा है? Vyanjanakshar. So you will write Vyanjanakshar. Kha ga onwards we will start. Okay. Vyanjanakshar likho. A question. You have to write Vyanjanakshar. So we will start from ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Read and write. Ka, ga, nga. Ka, ga, nga. Cha, ja, ch, nya. Th, dha, th, na. व्यंजनाक्षर में कहाँ से कहाँ तक व्यंजनाक्षर है? या र ल व श स ह. That much व्यंजनाक्षर है. So you should listen that ka kha ga kha nga 5 letters. Cha cha ja cha nya. There also each 5 letters are there. Okay. Tha tha da tha na. Ta tha da tha na. Pa pha bha ma. Did you study it last day? I told you can revise. Right? And study it.
I studied.
Then you can write 2 times only. Okay. Those who did not study it after the class, write it and study 5 times. Cha cha da cha na pa pha ba pha ma. Then कौन सा अक्षर है next? या और हा. श श स ह. Till ha. Okay. Ha to ha. When I will ask Vyanjanakshar likho, you have to write this much letters. Okay. Ka kha ga kha nga. Cha cha ja cha nya. Tha tha da tha na. Tha tha da tha na. Pa pha ba pha ma. Ya ra la va sha sha sa ha. Till ha.
Ma'am, Priyaga write and study yesterday, and I write without seeing 2 times.
Very good. Very good. For studying, you will get full mark. Okay. Good child. Mm. Read and write, everyone. Kha kha ga kha nga, cha cha ja cha nya. I know. Everybody know that. That you will get. This is the problem here. Vyanjanakshar, you have to study. Okay. Sometimes you will leave. Letters in between. Write in the correct order. Kha kha ga kha nga. Read and write. Kha kha ga kha nga. Check that 5 letters are there. Then cha cha. क्या है?
Swarashar, Vandanashar, Rita is studied.
Yeah, very good. So some are not completed. That's why I'm giving revision. Okay.
Rita is complete.
I told every day, every weekend you have to write and study this. Are you doing?
Yes.
And the rough book.
Rough book. Who is asking this? Prithvi did not start writing.
Please scroll down.
Why?
I was writing 5 times.
Did not completed that colors. Rangong ke naam. Who is that? Rukma. Copy it one time. This gulabi. I will send it. Gulabi, pink, narangi. Copy it one time. Jaldi jaldi karo.
I copied it. You don't need to send me.
You copied.
Copy now.
Only 2 colors is given here now. What about other colors? Names are there, no? We learned yesterday lal, kala, pila and all. Did you copy that?
And you said write in notebook, right?
And everything.
This you put it in your rough book. Okay?
I had to write in the notebook.
Why? You don't have rough book?
No, my master, the class finished, you have to write in the
Okay. That which notes I'm sending, that you can write it in your notebook. Okay? Now you can write this here. Rough book. Kha kha ga kha nga. Right? And those who completed this yesterday, those who did not write and
my wind is coming there.
Ma'am, no sound.
can hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
You can. Yes. You can hear.
What I told, those who completed yesterday sent a message, maybe some completed 3 times this. They can write only 1 time. Okay, others, those who did not write, please copy 2 times, read it, and after the class write and study again. Why all the videos are off? Many videos are off. Hala, completed Hala. Hala, did you completed this?
Ka, kha, ga.
Hala, use your head.
2 more.
2 more. Which one you are writing? Pa, completed. Read and write, children.
Full finish.
Full finish. Vyanjanakshar complete हो गया?
Yes.
So we will write bina matra ke shabd. Now we can write bina matra ke shabd. Which is bina matra ke shabd? We learned some words with bina matra. Bina matra means, did you remember bina matra words? Bina matra ke shabd. कैसे लिखेंगे? Bina matra के शब्द. Bina matra के शब्द. Somebody asked to me yesterday, बिना मात्रा के शब्द means क्या है? What is बिना मात्रा? We learn पहले आ, okay? आ पे आ, क और आ जोड़ने से क्या बनेगा? ऐसे काश मिलेगा का, ओके? देखो क व्यंजनाक्षर को अपना स्वर नहीं है, we cannot, इसका साउंड नहीं है व्यंजनाक्षर, okay? When we will add with any swara अक्षर, it will get the sound. So क और आ मिलाने से का, तो का साउंड we will get from आ के लिए मात्रा नहीं है, so we are using there बिना मात्रा के शब्द. So पहला वर्ड क्या है? We learn फल. Do you know फल means क्या है? फल, fruit. Yeah, you studied फल, fruit. So you can write this word फल, fruit, right? पहला वर्ड क्या है? फल. You should write your own because all words you studied. It's easy for you. 3 times write on. Okay, 3 times write फल. फल means क्या है? Fruit. Read the meaning. फल. Otherwise it will take time. फल हिंदी spelling पढ़ो. Only we added 2 letters. Okay, 2 अक्षरों वाले शब्द है. फल, fruit. Read and write. फल, fruit. Then we studied जल. जल means क्या है बच्चों? जल,
water.
बड़ी की मात्रा से हमने पानी भी पढ़ा है, तो जल का मतलब भी वाटर है. जल, वाटर, पानी, वाटर. ओके, तो आपको वाटर के लिए 2 वर्ड्स मालूम है, जल और पानी. इसमें जल बिना मात्रा के शब्द है. There is no added any मात्रा, so we can say बिना मात्रा. जल, water. Read and write. जल, water. जल, water.
Vandana not completed.
Did you write and studied yesterday? Then copy it only one time. After the class, if you are those are writing very slow, you can copy this one time. After the class, do it 5 times. You have to write and study. Okay? Because some are writing very slow.
Vandana 2 times not writing.
Then write it one time and after the class complete it. Okay? फल, फल, जल.
We want to learn 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 Hindi.
1, 2, 3 Hindi. That is not now. After the first term. Listen, children. We completed now first term portions. Okay. Now I cannot teach you any new chapter. After completing your first term exam, I will start that 1, 2, 3 Hindi. Okay. Now which you learned, you should revise that and we will complete our first term exam. Revision we have to complete now. That's why.
1, 2, 3 Hindi I know.
Yes, everybody know. Ek, do, teen. You studied in first standard. Listen, children. Now you listen these words. Okay. Very good. I know that you studied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till this you learn in first standard. Very good.
Yes.
But we will study for writing that. Not now. Now your portions are completed for first term. Okay. So we are doing revision. I'm not teaching any new chapter. Revise this all. Okay. Then only you can write your exam. Otherwise you will forget these all spellings. These all words. We learn more words. So you have to revise. So read फल. फल means क्या है? फल, fruit.
Fruit.
जल. जल means
Water.
water. One क्या है? One means forest. Now Amika, are you writing and studying? You should write this. Show me. Did you write and study this? Show your rough book. Where is the rough book now, Amika? Children, I will ask your rough book. Now I am giving revision. You have to do that. Okay. So read it, write it. Where is now, Amika? Your rough book? Why muted? Show me. Did you write and study this all? No, that's why you did not write anything. That's why you are not showing. If you completed, you can show. Sai, show your rough book. Are you writing? Yeah. Very good. Good boy. Okay. What about Navamika? She don't have any pencil. Where is her pencil, Navamika? Very good. She left. Children, when you are sitting for revision class, now we are going to start revision. We started revision, so you have to write it. Otherwise, you will not get good mark. Okay. Jal. The next question, fourth one. कौन सा वेड है? भवन. हमने भवन पढ़ा. क्या है भवन मतलब? 3 letter word. 3 अक्षर है इसमें. सिया. भवन means क्या है सिया? भवन. House. कितना अक्षर है? भवन. Children, revision means everything you have to write. Okay. You have to revise. Don't ask me, ma'am, can we write? Can we write? This is for writing. Kamal. क्या है कमल? कमल क्या है सिया? लोटस. याद क्या है? अब हम रिविजन कर रहे हैं, सो याद करो. कमल. नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या है? कमल के बाद शहद.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Girl, can you hear me?
In my old
Honey.
शहद means honey.
matras.
क्या है? पृथ्वी. पृथ्वी ने क्या बताया? बताओ पृथ्वी.
You're all
Your voice is breaking.
everyone are stuck.
Ma'am.
Completed. Read. Hal, jal, वन, भवन, कमल, शहद.
No, ma'am, I will complete.
Fardeen, can you hear me? Fardeen? Fardeen, can you read these all words? Read. Fal.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो, words पढ़ो.
Fal, fruit.
Mm.
Gel, water. One, river.
One, forest.
Forest.
Ba.
Bhavan, house.
Ka.
Amal, lotus.
Lotus. Next, sha.
Shahad.
शहद. क्या है शहद means?
Honey.
Honey. Prithvi, read. Prithvi, read. Prithvi Ramesh, read these all words with meaning.
Fal, fruit, forest, bhavan, house, kamal, flower.
कमल कौन सा फ्लावर है? कमल फूल का नाम है. लोटस. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Honey.
शहद, हनी. ओके, वेरी गुड.
Ma'am, Rukma,
Read रुकमा.
fal, fruit, gel, water, one, forest, bhavan, house, kamal, lotus, shahad, honey.
Very good. So our now little time only left. So what we have to do? I will give some questions. Did all completed this all? I will give 5 questions. Okay, from this.
Yes.
Aki matra, e, we will do in the next class revision. Okay. So now we completed Rengonge Naam. You studied colors name. व्यंजनाक्षर completed, स्वराक्षर completed और बिना मात्रा के शब्द also you completed. So I will give some questions for you. Okay, you just write. Only few minutes left. So okay, those who did not completed anything, please after the class complete it. Okay. Okay. So I will take a small test now. Can you write? Revision test. Revision test. One. No need to write this all. You don't want to write any question. You have to write only the answer. I will give 3 words. You have to write the answer. Honey. Hindi word क्या है? Honey. इसका हिंदी शब्द लिख. Don't say you should write your revision test means you should write your answer. No need to say any answer now. Okay. Second question. Write the Hindi word of black color. Black color. White color का हिंदी क्या है? White. This is a you can just check you studied the spelling or not. Okay, which spelling you are not getting after the class, write and study that. Honey का हिंदी word क्या है? Black का हिंदी word क्या है? White का हिंदी word क्या है? और the second question है पूरा करो, complete this. Okay, first one I will write here cha, then you have to complete the next letters. We studied Vyanjanakshar cha cha ja cha nya. You complete that. Complete this. Okay, what is the next letter? In the exam it will ask Swarakshar likho. You have to write all that Swarakshar. When I will ask Vyanjanakshar likho, you can write ka kha ga kanga tu yara lava shasha saha. Okay, now I give a small question. Fill that cha. Iske baad kaun sa akshar aayega? Cha. 5 letters are there now. Find and write. Fifth question. Write the answer bha dash in. Which is the correct answer for this? Bha dash in. Which letter you have to add there for making a meaningful word? Finish. Only 5 questions. Evening 6:30 I will send a link through your class group. You can do that. Okay.
Ma'am, I finished.
What is the fourth question, ma'am?
Vyanjanakshar ka cha cha ja cha nya likho. I given only first letter cha. The next 4 letter.
I finished. I completed.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't understand fourth question.
You can write the letter cha cha ja cha nya.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, sir, finish.
Okay, very good, very good. We have only few minutes. Just jaldi complete karo. Only 5 questions. Okay. Question no need to write. First 3 questions no need to write. You have to write only the answer. Ritik is there. Ritik. Rukma is there. Ritik is also there.
There's only little bit.
Only, ma'am.
Okay. Rayan Salish is there.
Nothing, ma'am.
CRPS. Rayan Salish is there. Ilha, Olivia, Ivania, Rose, CRPS.
Green, please.
Completed. Very good.
Green, please.
Able Anthony completed. Very good.
Please, completed.
Can I write the answer then? Honey. What is the word for honey?
Shahad.
Yeah, check your answer. It is shahad. Second, black. What is the word?
Kala.
Very good. Kala. White का हिंदी word क्या है?
Safed.
Okay. Now, cha. Next letter क्या है? Chanya. Check your answer whether it is correct or not. कौन सा अक्षर है? Bhavan. Bhavan house. Okay. Yeah, very good. Check your answer. 5 mark is there. 5 out of 5. If your all answer is correct, you will get 5 out of 5. Okay. Okay, children. So evening I will send a link. Okay, you can do that. Your one more test is there in Google form. So the next class we will start a ki matra, e ki matra, e ki matra. Okay. Children, time up. So the next class children are entering. So the next class you should study and some Vyanjanakshar, those who made the mistake that also. Okay. We will do the next revision in the next class. Bye. Dhanyavad.
Bye, ma'am.